Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to walk you through some of the most important building blocks of JavaScript: variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. Think of these five pillars that hold up almost every JavaScript program. If you understand this, you are ready halfway to being a confident JavaScript programmer. Let's start with variables. In JavaScript, a variable is like a strong box of for information. You can store values like numbers, text, or even more complex data. We create variables using keywords like let, constant, or the o- older where. For example, JavaScript, let name be John, constant age be 25. Here name stores text, a string, and age stores a number. Let is used when the value might change later, and constant is used when it should stay constant. Think of variables as little label jars in which you put your data, so you can come back and use it later. Arrays. Now imagine you need to store multiple values together like a list of items. That's where arrays come in. An array is like a shelf where you store multiple boxes, each with its own position and index. In JavaScript, array indexes start from 0. So, 0 fruits is a first item. Arrays are super useful when you need to store and process a group of similar data. Now, let's see about functions. Next up, functions. A function is like a recipe. It's a set of instructions that you can reuse whenever you want. For example, JavaScript function greet name console.log hello plus name. Here, greet is a function that takes a name and prints a greeting function. Save you time because you write the code once and reuses it anywhere. Objects. Now let's talk about objects. An object stores data in key value pairs. Think of it as a dictionary where each word has meaning. Here, brand, model, and year are keys, and their values describe the car. Objects are powerful because they can also store functions, arrays, and even the other objects. In real world programming, most data you'll most data you'll deal with will be in object program. Loops. Finally, let's talk about loops. A loop allows you to repeat code without writing it multiple times, and most common loop is for loop. This loop prints numbers from 0 to 4. We also have while loop and special loops like for of and for arrays and for in for objects. Loops save us a time and make our code much shorter and clear. Variable stores data, array stores multiple values in order, function stores let you reuse instructions, objects store data in key value pairs, loops repeat code efficiently. Master this and you'll have a strong foundation to build anything from a simple calculator to a full-fledged web application. Thank you.